Welcome back to another video. It's Friday, I'm on my way to the office, and just in case you're wondering what's going on my forehead, it turns out paddle is a very dangerous sport, or I'm just stupid because I somehow managed to hit my own racket against my own head so hard that I actually had to go to the hospital, but I'm fine now. Just wanted to clarify that. And yeah, otherwise I'm very excited. Let's talk about exciting things, because Bitcoin, I believe, is about to hit 100k today for the first time in history, so I'm insanely excited. As I told you in the last video, I planned a few things for when it's about to happen. First of all, I ordered a cake today, a specialized, customized Bitcoin cake. So it's going to be an orange cake. You'll see it next week, so definitely stay tuned. Watch this video, watch the next video, subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss out. But it's going to be super exciting, I think. I've got so many things planned. I also, last video I talked about the orange Lambo. It's going to be an orange McLaren. That will be in the next video. So yeah, I'm super excited. On Sunday I'm going to Paris, and for now I'm going to the office. There's so many things going on with trades, and I keep analyzing and keep looking at the market, of course, with all the altcoins now probably going to pump. I've got a lot of Ethereum, Solana. Let me know, by the way, in the comments if you're interested in me talking more about all the technical details on crypto and on my trades and everything. But yeah, the past few weeks have been absolutely great, and exactly as I planned it out. So yeah, super satisfying feeling, and I'm very happy at the moment. So yeah, as I said, now we're going to the office. I'm probably gonna go shopping a bit later. On Sunday we're going to Paris, and then we've got a lot of cool stuff planned, so I'm really excited for this video.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time.
I am on my way to Paris right now, and it's crazy. I've got the entire business class to myself, and generally I love flying within Europe because it's only short distances. Flight is only 2 hours, so we'll be landing in 1 hour, and I'm just really looking forward to an exciting weekend and an exciting 3 or 4 days in Paris, spending time with good old friends and just living life. I don't really work much at the moment. I don't have to work at all anymore technically, but of course there's things I'm planning to do. Like, in the back of my mind, I really think about starting or like launching the hedge fund, but I think that's a project for me for Q4 of 2025. Right now we're at the end of the year. I'm focusing on other things, on trades, for example, and also yeah, I'm just spending time with my family, and as I said, living life. There's no pressure for me, no stress, no rush. Because what I never understand with people like me, as in entrepreneurs who work so hard to live a life of freedom, to make enough money to be able to afford all the nice things in life and have full freedom, and then they never stop working. I mean, I guess I'm similar because yeah, I have so many things, like so many goals still that I want to reach. I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but still I want to take myself the time to actually now enjoy life and spend all the money I'm making and just not work because I don't have to.
I can think of younger days.
Je suis arrivée à Paris, donc bien sûr maintenant je mange des macarons. I already had a really great first day here in Paris. That was yesterday, because yesterday I stayed with a friend of mine. Today I'm in the hotel. Tomorrow we don't know. To be honest, life is really just whatever I want it to be at the moment. I don't know where I'm gonna be tomorrow. Maybe I'll book another hotel. But yeah, I'm just exploring the city right now, and I'm really enjoying it. I mean, it's a bit unfortunate that it's raining right now, but we're still making the absolute best of it. And yeah, being in Europe, I just realized that I missed it so much. It's still my absolute favorite continent, and the city is just so different to Dubai or Bali or the places where I spent most of my time last year. So today we have Monday. Bitcoin still hasn't hit 100k so far. I'm literally watching the markets almost all the time. The first thing when I wake up in the morning is check my portfolio. I'm not really stressed, but I'm just excited and looking forward to when it happens because I have so many things planned, and just in general I want to celebrate, and I want to, yeah, it's going to be a big milestone for Bitcoin and for everyone involved. So right now I'm probably going to head to the spa, relax a little bit from all the hard work I'm doing. No, but jokes aside, later we're probably going to go to a nice restaurant again and stroll through the city. I'm also making so many more steps here compared to everywhere else, because you actually walk around the city and reach everything by foot, and you don't always just drive with the car like I do it in Dubai. So yeah, la vie est belle. Okay, as you can see, I'm now officially Emilie in Paris, and we've just been strolling through the city right now with my day one actually. We know each other since we're babies, so crazy. That's the friend I kept talking about. I visited her in Paris. We have the Eiffel Tower in the background. And yeah, now we're just on the way home and we're just literally living our best life. Yeah. Are you happy to be in Paris?
Oui.
She said, be honest with how you feel.
Alright, I feel a bit like a news reporter right now, but we're at the Louvre, still in Paris. I'm going back tonight, and I'm still with my lovely friend who's behind the camera right now. But yeah, we're basically just enjoying my last day. We're probably gonna have a coffee or tea now, and just enjoying Paris. It's quite cold, as you can see today, but it's really beautiful, and I'm also looking forward to go back to Vienna because, as I said, because of Bitcoin, I have a lot of cool things planned, so I'm just really excited about all those things. And then actually I'm also really excited to get back into the routine next week, because while I really enjoy just eating out and doing all the fun stuff, I also really like working actually. Like having my routine, working, going to the gym, playing tennis and paddle, and hopefully like in a few days I'll be able to play paddle again, so I'm really looking forward to that as well. It's 11 p.m. I just landed in Vienna, and to be honest, I'm very, very tired. But I had a lot of thoughts during the flight. I said in one of the previous videos that flying for me means reflecting on everything. So that's what I did. And the past few days were quite busy. Like, we were constantly doing something, me and my best friend, our like day one friend that I visited in Paris. So now I actually had time to reflect on everything we did and the time we spent together, and I'm just so grateful that I was able to spend so much time with her and for all the things we did together, because frankly there's no better thing than collecting memories and making experiences with the people you love. And having those crazy experiences, like just randomly flying to Paris because I want to, not having to work, and just spending time in the most luxurious places and hotels and eating fancy dinners and doing all the things I love doing, really makes me grateful. So to sum up, because I really want to go home and into my bed right now, the past few days were an absolute blast, and I'm happy and grateful, and life just feels so good right now. Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs every single day. It's just going higher and higher. The trades are playing out so well. I can do whatever I want. Tomorrow we're gonna have a big family dinner and also a Bitcoin celebration dinner where we have the orange cake just to honor Bitcoin, just to celebrate, because there's so many reasons right now to celebrate. So once again, I am very grateful. But by the way, you, no matter who you are, you have so many reasons to be grateful for as well. So please never forget to be grateful. Always stay humble. And with that being said, I'm now going to go home. Good night.